Citizens Coalition for Change continues with its mission to take rural strongholds from ZANU-PF, and voter mobilization continues in rural areas. Singing Tanzwa Morari Tawina, the Citizens Coalition for Change people are continuously mobilizing and working towards change. This reflects that Citizens Coalition for Change has managed to gain momentum and is the most loved political party in the nation of Zimbabwe. These are people who are gathering without being forced. These are people who are gathering without intimidation. These are people who are gathering without any food handouts, but they are gathering because they believe in change, because they believe in a better Zimbabwe. And this is happening across Zimbabwe. And we believe that change is coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. We continue to mobilize people and encourage our people to mobilize for the people to actually go and vote on 23 August and vote for CCC councillors, vote for CCC MPs, and vote for President Advocate Nelson Chamisa without hesitation, fear, or intimidation. This time around, ZANU-PF is not going to deny us our future. ZANU-PF is not going to continue holding onto power if we vote correctly and vote wisely. Even ZEC, it knows that they have to announce the correct results.